Alright, welcome to this AI program called Image Mating Art, which has become quite popular. Let's get started. How does it work? We click on add, okay? We add images or a whole folder of images, and there we have an image, right? They show us the before and after. Obviously, we haven't made any changes yet, so there's no difference. How does it work? On the right, we have the hardware that will process all the changes. Recommended? Well, NVIDIA, right? Then we can choose the model that will be used to make the various changes, okay? As you can see, we have the option to select an area. So if we want to select, well, we can also have the AI select it for us, okay? For example, it has detected, sports products, the human face, and the entire human, okay? That could be useful. It also lets us adjust brightness and such, right? It allows for smooth processing, got it? We can emphasize lines or invert the alpha mask, okay? I don't recommend that. For diff, we can rotate the image a bit, see? We can also flip it vertically. Once selected, we hit start, alright? So what's this process going to do? This process will apply all the changes we've made and perform image matting, which is this tool's purpose. As you can see, it's quick, doing everything on our computer. In other words, the processing is happening locally. There's the memory usage. It's using 2 GB. See, the computer's doing it locally, not sending it to a server. And this is the result. Pretty impressive, right? As you can see, it messed up a few things. My legs look good, but it failed in some spots, you know? The background and shirt colors are similar on purpose. I did that to test it, see? Let's say it messed up there, okay? We can select our eraser tool here, right? Or rather our brush to repaint the part we want to keep. Got it? Now we've got it back, see? This hand too, we can bring it back. We want to remove this weird hair here, right? Let's zoom in a bit, adjust the size, okay? We'll remove all this noise. Let's clean it up, all right? We don't want that. So there it is. We resize again and move into this area. Maybe I've changed it too much, okay? Now when I remove this, it looks much better, right? In this case, I've obviously made it super complicated, okay? It was intentional, but there are cases where it works brilliantly, got it? So as you can see, we can change the background, make it white, or, well, apply the feather effect, okay? Blur, black and white, pixelated. There are all kinds of effects, right? RGBA. And as you see, we can change the mask, okay? If we want to show the back part. Instead of manual changes I made, we could have changed the mask directly, okay? That's also an option and probably a quicker solution, right? Masks are created here. You make 3 dots, okay? Then you modify the different parameters, got it? And that's about it. That's how this tool works.